Hi you guys, so this is another Headquarters game, which is right after the Headquarters that I just uploaded. I'm not sure if I'll upload these right away together, but... So I am going to be using my commando with Hardline. Hardline, Warlord Pro, and Hacker Pro with Red Dot and Dual Mag. And by the way, you guys, I am going to be using, I'm going to be talking to my teammates, so you guys will hear me talking to my teammates. Haha, Logan, you got killed by a scorpion. So it's still a scorpion. Just remember, we have to watch out behind them. That's what I would have done. If I was not these retards, I would have easily just go behind. Oh my god. I should not have jumped down. Hey guys, you guys don't worry about behind you. I'm watching behind you, Kyle. I'm on you and I'm looking behind you. Like I'm moving the camera. There's a guy up above. Kyle, there's a guy behind you. Never mind. Wait, Lil J got... Yeah, Lil J got him. Lil J, just shoot, you retard. Lil J, shoot. My god, do you see that Lil J guy? He just like... My god. My god! Both of my deaths have run from Sunset. They're both from Sunset. Oh, this guy's lagging. This guy that's pulling out his ballistic knife, so you can't kill him. It like, cause you know how they're kind of like moving, like in a weird way. Wow, you guys keep stealing all my kills. I could be like a gazillion and one right now. Logan, did you like go up that ladder and I was in your way? Wow, who keeps stealing all my kills? Every kill. Ooh. Oh, that felt good to rip. Ooh, that was juicy too. Nice and juicy. Wow! 3 of my last kills have been plus 80 XP. Guys, there's no enemies down here. God, this Why is it lagging so hard to kill? That's a nice hit fire. I like it right once you cap the HQ and then the rocket launches. Cause then they like keeps them out. I like when you launch the bomb on demolitions, it buys you like 15 seconds. Logan, you. Wow, these guys are retarded. Why won't they just come from behind? That would get us so badly. Dude, I have a Blackbird. I'm 3 from dog. God, I'm wasting like all my ammo. Dude, like not very far from dog. Yes. Dude, I'm 1 from dogs. Yes, dogs. I got dogs. Oh, these enemies are retarded. Oh god, that was a fail right there. Oh yeah, puppy's coming in. Hey, someone could grab my sentry gun. Someone could grab my sentry gun. It's back by where we're spawning. Actually, I'm gonna grab my sentry gun. I got it. I can't see it. Oh, nice. Just so fresh. Logan, imagine seeing that with an L96 picture on it. Oh, I got killed. Well, I'm the first one of us that got killed. Guys, move your sentry gun. Oh, nice, Logan. Did you get those out of streak or care package? What? What was that? That was wow. Dude, we have 3 sentry guns around here. Alright guys, let's just hold this the whole time. and then we'll be 5 points from the win. Oh, I just get a plus 10,000 XP challenge time. Dang it, I died.
Got it.
Go get Mr. Death Machine. It looks so funny how you carry it. You look like you're like disabled or something. It's so funny how you get run. The guy looks like he's something messed up with his leg. Because you were running like... Oh my god, that's fair. Oh yep, no wonder that guy killed me. He picked up my commando. Oh, that was nice, dude. Logan, I have to give you the link to this video on YouTube. Dude, I'm looking back at you, your guy looks messed up with the Death Machine. He walks like messed up in me. Oh, never mind, that guy didn't pick up my commando, but he has commando red dot. No dual mag. Okay, Logan, we're 1 away from... Yeah, victory is ours.